Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to do affiliate marketing with Whop in 2025. Let's dive right in. Step 1. First things first, open up your web browser and search for Whop affiliate. You'll see a variety of websites, but go ahead and click on the first link to head over to the official Whop website. Step 2. Once you're on the Whop site, look for the refer a customer option. This is where you'll find all the specific pricing options and products available for referral. Step 3. Now you'll want to click on your referral button. Here you will be able to see your total referrals, how much money you have earned, and the number of links clicks you have received this month. And it's all right here in your dashboard. Step 4. Next, click on your account at the top of the page if you want to check out your account settings. This is where you can manage everything related to your affiliate program. Step 5. After that, go ahead and select the reselling option. Here you'll see different Whop products and various ways to earn money through program. And that's it. You're now ready to start affiliate marketing with Whop in 2025. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.